If you have sensitive skin and you somehow just damaged your skin barrier so your skin is super red and irritated and sensitive, then this video is for you. My name is Dr. Joyce Park. I am a dermatologist and I completely messed up my skin barrier recently. I was on a 27-hour plane ride home from Italy to Washington State, and my skin got completely dry, sensitive, red, irritated, flaky, and completely wrecked. So I'm going to tell you exactly how I'm nursing my skin back to health, what I'm using, and more importantly, what I'm not using right now. I can only tolerate really gentle, non-irritating things. So I'm using the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. This is morning and night. This has lots of ceramides that can kind of help repair my skin barrier. Followed by the Cetaphil Advanced Relief Cream with Shea Butter. This is not even a facial moisturizer. This is like, I don't know, a body moisturizer, but it's the only thing that will not sting my face. Like, this feels so good and it's so moisturizing and so thick. Now, more importantly, things that I cannot use right now. I tried to use vitamin C the other day and oh my God, it stung so bad. We know that vitamin C is L-ascorbic acid, so it has a low pH, it's acidic, it's gonna burn and sting when your skin barrier is wrecked like mine. So if you have to use vitamin C, I would say opt for a THD based vitamin C instead of an L-ascorbic acid based vitamin C, because that will sting less. But if you can wait it out, just wait a couple days until your skin is better. Also, no acids for the time being. They're too irritating when your skin barrier is ruined. So no AHAs, no BHAs. This means no glycolic acid, lactic acid, salicylic acid, whatever, you name it, not using it. And sad to say also, you cannot use retinol or retinoid at this time if your skin barrier is completely wrecked like mine.